Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to display your code snippets in your HTML web page in just 3 simple steps. Keep watching. Welcome to Freewebtoolkit. In this channel, we create tutorials and guides on digital marketing, online business, and free online tools. If you are interested in these subjects, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. With that said, let's get started with our tutorial. So, what are the steps to follow? Step number 1. We must encode the reserved HTML characters. Some characters are reserved in HTML, and they must be encoded in order to be displayed in the web page. Step number 2. We should put our code snippet inside code and pre tags. Step number 3. Add highlight.js to our web page to display our code snippet with colors. So let's go back to our screen computer. We're going to start with an empty HTML web page in which we will put a simple h1, for example. Then go to freewebtoolkit.com, and by the way, it's a free online tools website with 60 plus free tools like image converting tools, PDF tools, and much more, so don't forget to check it out. Anyway, let's go to blog and open this post, how to display code snippets in HTML with color. We're going to use this code example, but you could use whatever code snippet you want. So the first step is to encode it. To do that, we're going to use our free HTML encode tool. Just paste your code and then hit the encode button. Okay, now we have our encoded code. Step number 2 is to put our code inside pre and code tags. Now, if we open our index file in the browser, our code will be displayed like this on the web page. Step number 3 is to add colors. To do that, we're going to use a JavaScript library called highlight.js. Highlight.js is a JavaScript library used for syntax highlighting for the web. It supports multiple languages and styles, along with automatic language detection. So, to add this library to our web page, just paste the CSS link on the head section, and then copy the JS files and paste them before the closing body tag. After that, let's refresh our web page and you should see your code with colors. We hope you guys enjoyed our video. If you do, please like and share it with your friends. And if you want to see more tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to check our free online tools website. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.